I have boosted my knowledge in off-roading on technical terms also, even on the ground terms also.
I had a lot of challenges, many things I have done twice. I had failures and a lot of good spotters, and I would say actually it's fantastic.
Adventure experience where we all do the community work.
Level 2 was stressful.
The art of using common sense and logic is also taught here.
My name is Ish. I drive a Thar Rocks. 5,000 kilometers done on the rocks, so I'm still a novice driving those cars. Level 1 was cool, level 2 and level 2 was also understandable. Level 3 was, level 2 was stressful. A lot of stress driving those things. I've not done those things before, so quite stressful. So regular driving skills. So I don't do this on a day-to-day basis, but I like to, the driving, the whole level 1, the driving, the learnings that I had in level 1 driving, I think were certain myth busters for me as well. So having driven for a long time and driving comes naturally to me. But I had a lot of myth busters that I had, which I was doing earlier, which I corrected while I was driving, and it made a lot of sense to correct them. So for my, not just off-roading, but regular driving itself is, I think, I'm much more conscious of what I'm doing now.
My name is Robin. I live in Mumbai. I have been driving all my life. I don't know, maybe 20 odd years, more than that. And I drive a Rubicon, primarily for off-roading. No, one thing you said, day-to-day life mein dusra. So one thing I like, this is a adventure experience where we all do the community work. It's like not community work as such, we work as a community. We all helping each other out, because in day-to-day life we have stopped doing that in the city life. So we don't even stop now if we see someone. So somehow that comes ingrained and everybody's sweating, but still nobody caring about it. Getting under the car, lugging stones, doing whatever it is. So yeah, that is something very new and bringing us out from the city life, which is very selfish in nature. And yeah.
My name is Nidhi. I drive Jimny. I've been driving since more than almost 2 decades. Yes, like all my fellows feel, everyday driving has also improved a lot due to this experience. For example, 9 and 3 position, steering rakhna hai, air pressure checks, basic health check of the car. And now we drive more confidently because of these lessons we have. So every problem is solvable, is what we learned, and solving it is an art, and the art of using common sense and logic is also taught here. Apart from the adventures, of course, everyday life driving experience also has improvised. नहीं अच्छा है, और फीडबैक इतना सारा फुटेज अवेलेबल है तो सबके लिए देयर कैन बी अ कॉमन ड्राइव एंड दे कैन यूज़ इट फॉर देयर ओन सोशल मीडिया, जिससे वी विल बी एबल टू contribute towards the cause of off-roading, which happens after training.
My name is Jyotin. I'm from Kerala. I drive a 2019 Gypsy from the last batch, which I'm very proud of. I still drive Gypsy because it is a bare-bone vehicle. No assistance, no electronics. Whatever has to be done manually. So I am learning.
My name is Gurpreet Singh. I drive Thar. I was much into two-wheelers prior, so I'm preparing for GS Trophy also for BMW. So I wanted certificate and learning over here for four-wheeler. So I joined here, and I have boosted my knowledge in off-roading on technical terms also, even on the ground terms also. बाइक पे नॉट एज मच बिकॉज बाइक्स का ऑफ रोडिंग टोटली अलग है, सो दैट रिक्वायर्स मोर ऑफ बैलेंसिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. सो यहाँ पे जो है दैट्स मोर अबाउट क्लाइम्स एंड ऑल, ट्रैक्शंस एंड ऑल. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन बोथ.
My name is Pratish. and I am basically from Kerala, but settled in Bangalore. I am actually I go for long drives. I own a Skoda, and I go for long drives. And off-roading is something which I wanted to learn. So I thought of I have to learn that professionally. Technically, I need to understand, and that's why I heard about doctor and I came here for L1 driving in the month of March. From where I started learning a lot of things about technically about the car, and that was my start. It was very much interesting, and I got a lot of basic knowledge. From where that time I have decided that I should come for the next level. So then I was having a lot of discussion with doctor, and when the next L1 recovery came, I came here. I was having zero knowledge about the tools, recovery tools, which I got a lot of information from here. And further I came to L2 drive, and this track is awesome. I had a lot of challenges, many things I have done twice. I had failures and a lot of good spotters, and I would say actually it's fantastic.
My name is Gurjot. I drive a Hilux. Fun fact, I sold my Beamer for the Hilux.
Oh, wow.
And I won the best student of the day for the course. Yeah. So there's a myth, a lot of new people before even L1D is, they'll have a lot of fun. But instead they'll learn a lot, and I want to break that myth, because I came with the same mindset of having fun. Instead it's about learning, and that's more important and more fun in my opinion. Okay, so during rains this community has been helpful. Doc questions us with a lot of things, like how to keep your tire pressure during the rains. Should you inflate, deflate, or keep the same? So there's a lot of things Doc teaches us after the courses as well. So that's really nice.